Hi everybody, today we're going to talk about scale, and I'm going to start off with the meaning of the word dimensions. So if you ask for dimensions, you in a two-dimensional shape, you'd be asked for length and width. So dimensions are length and breadth, or you can call that width. And in a three-dimensional object, you'd also have height. So if you ask for dimensions, you're not being asked to calculate area or volume or surface area. You're just asked for the length, width, and if it's three-dimensional, also for height. Right, now that we understand the word dimensions, we're going to go on to what does a scale of 1 is to 10,000 mean? And this is quite a common question in exams and tests, the meaning of the scale. So in the scale, what you need to say is that 1 unit. Now, a lot of you might prefer to say centimeter, but you'll notice in the scale there are no units. And quite frankly, 1 millimeter on the map is equivalent to 10,000 millimeters in real life, or 1 centimeter on the map would then be equivalent to 10,000 centimeters in real life. So you may just use a generic term unit. So the definition then would be 1 unit on your map, or it could be a plan, represents, would be a better word, represents 10,000 same units in real life. So please make sure you're able to explain the meaning of a scale. Now, if you are given a scale and you are given a map length and you want to find actual length, then you would take whatever length on the map, so you take your map length and you would times by the scale. So to find actual, you will always multiply by your scale factor, because your real size, if you're looking at a map, the real thing is that many times bigger than whatever is on your map, so you multiply with your scale factor. If you are given your actual length and the scale, you're going to divide with your scale factor, because now you need to get small to a little distance on a map. So for map length, you would take actual length and you would divide by your scale factor. Right, now what about finding scale? So let us say that a certain building is, say, very tall, it's 319 meters, and then there's a little drawing of it. And on a piece of paper, there's a little drawing, and this drawing is 3,19 centimeters. So what is the scale that they've used? Now, first of all, you have to get to the same unit. So we will convert this, the bigger unit, to the smaller unit. And there are 100 centimeters in a meter. So multiply by 100. So the actual building is 31,900 centimeters. And our drawing is 3,19 centimeters. So to find the scale, you take your drawing or your map or your plan and you divide by your actual length. So let's say map or plan length, divide by actual length after you have converted to the same unit. So now we will have 3,19 divide by 31900. And you can use your calculator, and we're going to get 1 over 10,000. And then we will never write our scale as a fraction. You have to convert it to a ratio. So our scale would be 1 is to 10,000. Now this scale is in unit form, and very often they ask for it in unit form. So we'll discuss how to get it in unit form in a separate video. Thank you.